How do I research? What is research first? Research is finding information about a topic and then telling others about what you have learned. There are 5 steps for a research project. First, you find a topic. Second, you make a plan. Third, research your questions. Fourth, create a presentation. And 5, you present your information. To find a topic, you must first find a topic for your research project. You will want to choose a topic that you are able to find a good amount of information about. We are going to find information on animals. The next thing you do is make a plan. We need to make a plan to help us research. We can focus on the big questions for our animals. First, where does my animal live? Second, what does my animal eat? Third, what does my animal look like? And fourth, what can my animal do? These questions will help you research. Next, you have to research your questions. This is where you find information and record it. You can use many different resources. Resources are books, internet, and applications. You will use these resources to find answers to your questions in your plan. You can record your information on the graphic organizer or online on the Wiser.me application. Next, you have to create a presentation. Once you have your information, then you can begin to make a presentation to show what you have learned. This will be done on Google Slides. You will want to state what your animal is and then give the facts that you learned about your animal. Last, you present your information. This is the final step of your research project. You need to present your information to your classmates. And those are the steps to a research project.